Howdy folks, we're live at 9:51 and we are battling for Hans Cloud Car, if I can get there. Sweet Jesus, there it is. I got 14 little spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in here. 1 through 14. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got a 6, and we are rolling. Good luck, guys. Maria, round 1. Steve 2, Scott 3, Steve 4, Scott 5, and our winner is Ron in a number 10. Congratulations, Ron. ZBRPCQ was our verification code. There you have it. I am done at 9:52. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.